Hello folks, welcome to Campkins.com. This is the online video walkthrough of the 2020 Grey Wolf 27RR. Have you ever wondered if you could get a toy hauler where you could put your motorcycle, your bikes, your kayaks, your ATVs in it, get an outdoor kitchen, get a slide, and get all that for under 6,200 pounds? Well, here it is folks, the Grey Wolf 27RR has it all. Power tongue jack, aerodynamic front cap, outdoor kitchen with a stove, sink, ice maker, and a fridge all packed in there. You've got your dual wheels, you've got your outdoor speakers which are illuminated, a place to put your TV outside, plus nice stable entry steps. Let's head inside and have a look. So right at the front of the trailer you've got your bed. Full-size queen bed here, as well as storage all the way around it and plugs all around the bed as well. And then you've got a slide out with a massive U dinette, which has lots of storage underneath it with the full extension drawers. Nice big window there, it's nice and deep. 6 adults can easily fit around that dinette. Here you've got another storage cabinet, and then your entertainment area, a spot for your TV. And then in the corner here you've got your 6.5 cubic foot gas electric fridge, along with a glass top stove, seamless countertops, farmhouse sink. So this is a beautiful looking trailer. Lots of drawers and then storage cabinets up above. So you've got your whole living area there, and then in the back you've got your washroom. So in your washroom you can see you've got this nice big medicine cabinet and humongous vanity with lots of countertop space there. And then across from it you've got your toilet and also your full shower with the, sorry about the finger there, with the skylight and the 12-volt fan. And that leads you to another door which takes you to your garage. So here in the back of the trailer, so first of all let's look at this gate. You've got your ramp which will go into a patio deck, and then it has the gate around it. You've got your screen wall which will come down. You've got all these shelves here for your gear, helmets, all kinds of equipment. 2 windows in here, and then you've got this toy hauler bed which will turn into a king size bed. It will turn into a dinette. It will also turn into 2 twin beds, and it will also disappear so you can get your toys in here. So really functional. Another door entrance into the garage area, a spot to put a TV. So this actually turns into a bunk room. So we have a lot of families who buy this trailer who may not have motorized toys, but the reason why they're buying the toy hauler is you can get your kayaks in here, you can get your bikes in here, and then it turns into a great double bunk model as well. So folks, this is the 2020 27RR, available now at Campkins. Again, outdoor kitchen, bunk model, toy hauler, it's everything under 6,200 pounds. Available now in Myrtle, Ontario. We say it's worth the hurdle to Myrtle, which is just north of Whitby on Highway 12. So come on out and help us help you make your RV dreams come true.